turning left from a minor side road onto a major road at a T-junction. It's the same mirror, signal, position, speed, look sequence. So we check our mirrors rear and left. We signal to the left, adjust our position closer and to left. This time we need to slow down and get ourselves slow enough to see if there's anyone coming from the left or the right that we'll need to yield to. So cyclists on the left and traffic coming from the right. If it's safe, we can continue on around the corner so long as there's no stop line. If there's a stop line, we're legally required to stop at that and then have a look to see if it's safe. Check our mirrors rear and left, signaling left, adjusting our position, slowing ourselves down. We see there's no one coming, we drive on around the corner.